Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Frances Hayes Jones. For those who are new, please hit that subscribe button for all my new folks. And those who have been watching and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You'll get all the notification when I post a new video. We'll be making fish gravy. Yeah, it is. So if fish is already seasoned, we'll be making fish gravy with plantain and green banana. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of oil to not fry the fish. I'm not deep frying, I'm just steaming the fish. So if that makes sense. I ain't no chef, y'all. I'm just trying my best to practice, and hopefully it becomes perfect the more I cook. So let's see, we're gonna wait for the oil to get a little bit hot, and hopefully I don't burn the house down. And then steam the fish. Steam? No, light fry, because that's not, yeah, light fry the fish. Jesus, I don't burn some, and some I ain't burn it yet. Lord, well, hopefully the rest I don't burn it, but it's not that bad, right? So just pour it in. Doesn't look bad. Looks good. So that's the fish gravy.